I welcome you to my course, How to Do a Shamanic Journey to Find and Bring Back Your Power Animal. My name is Daniela and I learned shamanic methods back in 2001 when I lived in Germany. I had a wonderful teacher who taught me professional aura balancing, trance dance, soul retrieval and of course shamanic journeying. So why should you do a shamanic journey? If you want to connect with your spirit guides, or if you want to find out more about yourself or finding answers to your questions, then a shamanic journey is very helpful. A shamanic journey is similar to a meditation, but done in a very different way. So don't worry that you need to pack your suitcase to have this experience. You will do this journey with the help of a special kind of drumming music that I will provide here for you. What is a power animal and why should you bring it back into your life? Symbolically speaking, a power animal is a part of you. It is a reflection of your deepest self. It represents qualities which you have or need in this life. These qualities are often hidden because of a shock or trauma. Through this journey we focus on how to find your power animal and bring it back into your life so that you can experience more energy and inner peace.